Hi, I'm Chris, one of the physical therapists at Henry Ford Hospital. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a reacher to help get your lower body dressed. In other words, getting your pants and underwear on and off. A reacher can be used by people that have limitations in their ability to bend forward to help them get their lower body dressed and undressed. This is a reacher, and you use it by squeezing and releasing the handle to pick up and release the items in the gripper section of the reacher. When using a reacher for lower body dressing, it is always recommended to put the pants or underwear on the operated leg first. When getting undressed, take the pants or underwear off the non-operated leg first. While you are sitting, place the pant leg of the operated leg in the gripper section of the reacher. You want to gather it up so that most, if not all, of the pant leg is in the gripper section of the reacher. Then lower the gripper section of the reacher down to the floor in front of the operated leg. Place your foot through the pant leg and then, using the reacher, pull the pants up the operated leg, placing your non-operated leg in the opposite pant leg. Use the reacher to pull up the pants until you can safely reach the pants without bending forward. Use both hands to pull up the pants to about mid-thigh level, then stand and pull the pants up and over your waist. Remember, if you are using a walker to help you stand, make sure you practice a safe technique when standing. This technique is the same technique you would use to put on underwear. To take your pants off, stand in front of the bed or the chair and lower the pants down until they are about mid-thigh level, then sit down. Push the pants down your leg to about knee level, then, using the gripper section of the reacher, grab the pants and pull them down your legs until they are on the floor. Remember, when getting undressed, take the pants or underwear off the non-operated leg first. Use the reacher to pick the pants up off the floor. Thanks for watching today. We hope you found this helpful.